on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos and be part of the family. If you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and follow me at ToxicSRT. Also add me on Snapchat at ToxicSRT. There's links in the description that will take you straight to there, so you don't gotta do a bunch of searching and all that. And today we are taking somebody special on a ride in the Hellcat. Like you guys know already, I love taking people for a ride in my Hellcat because not everybody has really experienced what a 1050 crank horsepower Hellcat feels like, making 900 to the wheels and making 800 torque. So not everybody has felt that, and I love showing people what it feels like. It's a different feeling from everything else. Trust me, this Hellcat is very torquey, instant torque. It's just ridiculous, you know. It's a whole nother feeling, and I'm not just saying that. Anybody that owned a Hellcat or owns one now or have driven in one knows what I'm talking about. So we're gonna take a girl on a ride and we're gonna see what she thinks of this. She's been in a lot of supercars and she owns a GTS, and we're gonna show her what this muscle car can do. So let's get it. What's your name? You want to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Kezia.
All right. Listen, she keeps laughing. All right, so
I'm so shy.
it's all good. It's all good. What do you drive?
AMG GTS Edition 1.
Ooh, look at her. She's like posing with the car. Okay, so have you ever been in a Hellcat?
Actually, I've never been inside a muscle car.
Okay, so that's why this is important, because she has never been inside a muscle car, and today she's gonna see what that feels like.
I don't even know anything about
You don't. I know you don't. You don't even know what this. What you don't even know what this car's called, probably. It's not expensive enough. It's not expensive enough.
I mean, I don't know.
All right, well, let's get inside and go for a ride. Ready? All right. You see what this is?
What?
I always carry these two things. So this is water. And this is an E85 tester. I have to test the E85 before putting it in this car. But once I test a gas station once, I try to do it once a month to know that it's good E85. Because you could easily put bad E85.
So you put gas inside this?
So look, I put water up to here, and then E85 all the way here, and then shake it, and then where the water and the E85 separates, it has to separate at 85%. That's how you know it's good E85. So I always carry this with me, just in case if I need gas.
Oh, the water is just for the...
Water's to keep adding that little water, and a full tank of gas almost gets me like 153 miles. So not much. I have like 5 gallons of E85 in the trunk just in case.
Oh my god,
So it runs,
you carry gas everywhere?
not everywhere, but like usually I carry it with me sometimes if I go on like long trips or whatever. You're looking at yourself right now. She's looking at the GoPro app right now.
This is nice. I want more lighting. Come on.
I know, we gotta go outside.
I'm gonna like close my ears. yeah. That car. Like the suspension and everything's like it can handle it.
Yeah, obviously.
It like bumps also like that. Oh my god. What did I get myself into? Underestimated, to be honest.
You thought it was just like a...
Because I'm like super like German car fanatic. And like, you know, people like have a thing with American cars. You know?
They don't like them.
Yeah, because like, oh, it's American. I mean, I get it, but now I
think it's cheaply made, which is it's obviously not. This is only like a $72,000 car. Nothing crazy. So like, they think it's cheap, which is like, obviously there's no carbon fiber in here. But it's... this is the thing about muscle cars. With Dodge, just like Dodge, for example, let's use Dodge. All they care about really is being the fastest. Yeah. That's what they care about. They had the fastest sedan in the world, which was this car in 4 doors. It was called a Charger, and that beat everything. Every 4-door there was, it beat it. That's you know, that's what they're known for. And we're over here switching back and forth. This guy's mad. Yeah, I'm sorry. He's looking at me like, what are you doing? So yeah, it's not a German car, but like I said, it does have a Mercedes chassis.
I have more respect towards it now.
Okay, good. I accomplished my goal. So you respect this car more, and
like okay, and it's not that bad actually.
Yeah, the thing is, like, not all of them are like this. I've put money into this to make it fast, but this car stock is still fast. It's still 707 horsepower.
It's a fun car.
It's a fun car. That's all it is. If you like fun, you like to go fast, and like the supercharged. Yeah, it's not the most comfortable car.
No, but like inside, like
you feel comfortable.
Yeah, I do.
And right now we're at as like, this is the least comfortable suspension ride. But if I put it in like this right now, it's street, it'll be more stable.
But that was already like pretty good.
That was track. Well, this track, you feel everything. I had it here.
I don't feel. You feel like my car is horrible. My car, you can feel everything.
Ladies and gentlemen, she just said that my car feels a lot better than hers.
I mean, the suspension only, okay? This is suspension wise. But okay, I know his car is faster. I have to give that to him.
And like what, $150,000 cheaper?
Yeah, that's true.
So you know, it's okay. I like this car. It's fun. It was a good like car to begin with. And then I feel like the 570 is kind of an upgrade, yet a downgrade.
For sure. Hello, you be like going up like this.
Going the door up like this. But yeah, what I do to it is a down pipe and tune, and it'll be pretty fast.
For sure.
But I'm never gonna get this feeling. This is gonna be the fastest car I have.
It's a different feeling.
I might rebuy it later and just to have it, but it's like it's a young person car. Like not everybody's gonna drive like that, you know.
Yeah.
And I don't.
Or tune it.
Or tune it up, put it on E85. Like people who live here don't usually do that because there isn't even that many E85 stations. That's what I'm saying. It's pretty hard to do that. So like I have
even like this gas station right here.
No, that doesn't have E85.
So what like gas?
Well, I have an app that I have. It searches E85 stations for me, and then I go to.
That's so specific.
Yeah, well, that's the gas that is used in this car.
That's why you have extra gas inside.
Yeah, that's why I carry extra E85.
Yeah.
Like it?
I do.
Good.
Underestimate it. I mean, I'm always Team German, but now I mean I get it.
It's
now.
not. It's
not that bad. It's not.
If you have an option of having more than one car, this is not a bad car to have just to have fun. And one thing this car loves is burnouts. This is a burnout machine. Like you do one little spin, it'll start burning tire right away. Like
then you gotta buy tires all the time.
Yeah, you do. Like the tires I have right now for the back, both of them are 740. So they're drag radials. Because if I had regular tires out there, it would be spinning the whole time. So yeah, it's a fun car. And you see how the fans come on really early, so it doesn't when it gets hot. You hear how loud it is?
Yeah. So I have that too.
It's a really loud fan. It's a really loud car. But I'm glad you like it.
I do.
Alright guys, so she also has a YouTube channel and an Instagram. What's your Instagram?
It's Keziv, Keziv.
And also, I'm gonna put her Instagram link and her YouTube channel link in the description. So make sure you guys go and subscribe to her right now.
Thank you so much, guys.
And now I'm driving back home in this beautiful sunny day. Another beautiful day here in LA. It feels good. It feels good. So I'm finally back. Let me turn the car off because it is pretty annoying. So her reaction was priceless, honestly. Like, I've taken a lot of people on rides in my Hellcat, and her was the best reaction. I mean, she was screaming, she was swearing at me. Oh my god, it was the best reaction ever. And it's just awesome for me to do that. Number one is because she's not used to cars like this. She thinks of muscle cars as just whatever. A lot of people that don't know much about them, that drive German cars, drive all these exotic cars, that's what they think. They don't think muscle cars are anything. And I'm here to show you guys that muscle cars are awesome and they have a purpose in life, and that's to go fast. Feel the joy, and you're just feeling the car. I mean, her reaction was honestly priceless. You guys seen her reaction. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the whole ride, and I know she did, because that's one thing she's not gonna forget about. Anytime anybody mentions muscle cars, she's gonna think about this ride, and she's gonna be like, man, that was a lot of fun. And that's what I love doing. I love to put a smile on people's face, and she had a smile on her face. Her heart was racing, but she had a smile on her face. But with that being said, it's time to let you guys go. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos and be part of the family. And make sure you also follow me on Instagram at ToxicSRT. Also add me on Snapchat at ToxicSRT as well. Have an awesome day, and make sure to always stay positive. Peace out, and I love you guys. Whoop.